I'm Batman.
Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Batman TDK and today I'm at, yeah, you can see the sign, Dairy Queen. Yes. Why am I at Dairy Queen? It's because I'm going to pick up a Superman meal and Superman ice cream at Dairy Queen. Yes. So let's go, shall we? Alright, as you can see over there, there's a Superman board. Yeah, as you can see, there's Superman Winnie Dairy Queen collab. So that's very cool. I know it's written in French, but guys, I live in Canada, Quebec, so that's why. Yeah, sadly, there's no the $7 meal at this Dairy Queen because they only offer the Superman Blizzard in Canada. Alright guys, I ordered a Superman Blizzard from Dairy Queen, so that's very cool. Okay, as you can see, right over there's like a Superman with a crypto that they are looking in front of the earth, so that's pretty cool. You can see the Dairy Queen logo, and you can see the Superman logo and with the title card. It says this movie will be released in summer 2025. That's very cool. Oh, I can see the a new DC logo. I mean the DC Studios logo. No, yeah, this is like a Blizzard. So it's like a mix of blueberry with the sprinkles. So that's very cool. So I ordered a large Blizzard. Let's give it a try. Oh man, I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is tasty, it is sweet. I really love it. So I would give it 10 out of 10. That's very cool. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can follow me on Twitter, BatmanTDK5. You can now follow me on TikTok, Batman.TDK1. I hope you like this video and see you next video. Bye.